Now let's read about the abstract noun. So abstract noun can be defined as the name of an action, quality or state. It refers to the things we can think of or hear or feel. But this cannot be sensed by using the five senses. Now for a better understanding, let's see this one. Once more, the concrete noun and the abstract noun. So anything which you can see, touch, smell, hear is concrete noun. Why? Because those are called as concrete objects or that has physical existence. So like mountain, you can see mountain, you can touch mountain. So mountain can be seen or touched. Means you can climb on a mountain now. Then incense sticks, agarbatti. So that can be smelled. Okay, so when incense sticks are burning, so we can smell that from a far off distance and think of the incense stick. Or perfume you can say. So it's in a bottle, a liquid is there. So you can see that perfume. But when you wear a perfume, so only by smell it can be smelled. So it has physical existence. Seen and touched also. So while it is still a stick, we can see and touch it. But when we burn it, we can smell it also. So trumpet is there. It's a musical instrument. So it can be seen, touched and heard. Noodles or Maggi, seen, touched and tasted also. Rain can be touched. Yes, that's why we get wet in a rain. But in case of abstract nouns, these are just opposite of what you can see. Or you can say these are just opposite of the concrete nouns. So, they can only be thought of or felt. Or you may have heard it and guessed it what it means. Like happiness. You cannot measure happiness, can you? Or have you touched happiness? We cannot. We just know it is a good feeling. Okay. So somebody is happy. So that is a good feeling. So that all those qualities or states which are you can say which are of being, means like happiness, anger, like that, or they cannot be seen and touched, like idea. So an idea, you are thinking of an idea, so that's a thought. Feelings like happiness, anger, sadness. Kindness is a quality, honesty is a quality. So laughter, that is an action. Beauty, that is a state of being. So all these things are abstract nouns. So let us see some more words. So similar words are there in quality like goodness, wisdom. Then state of mind will be, or state of body will be sickness, death, childhood, that's a state. Action is laughter, movement, revenge or flight. You can say that you can see a child, but you cannot see the childhood. Okay, so that is how childhood is an abstract noun. But child will be a concrete noun. So from common nouns, slave, slavery. So you can form abstract nouns from other nouns as well, like slave or child. So what happened? Child is a common noun. So what we have done? We have added the suffix or some words hood with the child. So child is a noun. When we added a suffix, it became a abstract noun. So boy, boyhood. Child, childhood. Understood? Then fool, folly. From adjectives. Wise, wisdom. Brave, bravery. Beautiful, beauty. Long, length. From verbs. Divide, division. So when you are saying divide, it is a verb. But when you are doing a division, so that's a kind of sum. So that will be a noun. Choose, choice. So you are making a choice. So something you are doing. So that will be a noun. Or that action has got a name. So that is a noun. Decide, verb. But decision is a noun. See is a verb. But sight is a abstract noun. Is an abstract noun. Then Abstract nouns are formed generally by adding suffixes. Okay, the syllables which are added in the back side are called suffixes. Like ship, friendship, age, hood, ion, it, ity, ends or ants or meant. So there are so many words which can be formed into abstract noun by adding suffixes. Okay. So this is your work to be done in the copy. So if you see here, we have divided the words according to the suffix. So by adding this suffix or the part syllables, you can make the abstract word like friend plus ship, friendship. So captain, heart, lord. This you have to write in the copy. By adding the suffix age, marry plus age, marriage. Short plus age, shortage, like that. So waist, patron. By adding the suffix hood, child, hood. Man, boy, false. By adding the suffix ion, so act plus ion, action. Imagine, invite, attract, dominate, receive. Then by adding the suffix ity, real, reality, human, clear, equal, active, able. By adding the suffix ens, absent, absence, obedient, assist, patient, present, innocent. By adding the suffix ans, abound, abundance, attend, attendance, assist, like that. By adding the suffix meant, agree, agreement, punish, punishment. So move and pay. So I think you have understood this. Now let's see some book exercises. See this one. You need to write the definitions of the nouns from here or from the video. Then you see question number 1. Read this passage about Shekhar's visit to his hometown. Underline all the proper nouns, common nouns, collective and abstract nouns. So you need to see this one. Like last month. So month will be a common noun. Shekhar is a proper noun. So you have to write CN for common noun, PN for proper noun. Like this you will do. Okay. So went to his native village. I have underlined village and written common noun. Like this you will do this question. This is your homework. Then put the following nouns in proper columns. See, 4 columns have been given. So proper noun, common noun, collective and abstract noun. So like this, March. So March is the name of a proper month. So it will be a collective noun. See the first letter. It is written in a capital letter. So that's another way you can do the proper noun. Then common noun. So servant is a common noun. Family is a collective noun. Then wisdom is an abstract noun. So like that you will do. I have put family in the collective noun. When you are referring family as a unit of members that are related with blood or certain you can say like marriage, then that is a collective noun. But when you are referring family as common, so that will be placed in a common noun. And if you are referring to a certain family, then it can be placed in a proper noun. So here you can place it the family in either common noun, no problem, or in collective noun, no problem. So family you can write here also, or as collective noun here also. So both are okay.